Now, today we are looking at the stock price of Digital World Acquisition Corporation, and today the stock is up 3.53% and trading at $28.41. Yesterday the stock closed at $29.45. Today the stock opened lower at $28.65. So far the stock has dropped 3.46% and is now trading at $28.42. The 52-week range for Digital World Acquisition Corporation is from $9.84 all the way up to $175. Today's volume a bit low at 300,000, and we are barely 15 minutes into the start of the market, and average volume is about 1.9 million shares that would exchange hands. Market capitalization of the company is at $1.058 billion. And just to be clear, right now subpoenas have been handed out over to directors of Digital World Acquisition Corporation and also to the directors of the Trump Media and Technology Group, and that is in relation to the communications they might have had with each other. And for the people of Digital World Acquisition Corporation with other possible targets, acquisition targets. Now, with that being said, we have to point out that the number of people on the Trump Media and Technology Group's Truth Social platform keeps growing on a daily basis. And with the purchase of Twitter by Elon Musk now on hold, he has come out and clearly stated that he is not going to purchase Twitter, and the only rebuttal we've had from Twitter comes from the chairman of the board, who has said that they are going to fight in court to get Elon Musk to complete the deal to which he agreed. But Elon keeps insisting that there is a bot problem with Twitter, and that he will not follow through with the purchase because of that flaw. And of course, if that has to go to court, the winners will be the lawyers, because Twitter is going to come out badly scraped, badly wounded, and probably with its reputation being dragged in the mud. Elon Musk, well, I don't know about him. He's just a user of Twitter. So I don't know how he's going to fare in case the lawsuit goes through. But either way, the lawyers will be the overall winners in this, and nobody has an interest in that kind of protracted and possibly muddy lawsuit. So it looks like what the chairman of Twitter said is just posturing to keep investors happy. But ultimately, I think they will just come out with a joint statement that they agreed to some kind of settlement in the background, and that will be it. So that means that Twitter, even after this debacle, will still it has many people now questioning how much of the daily users are actually bots and how many are real people. And because of that, people are migrating slowly to the Truth Social platform. And with the midterms coming, we have a lot of candidates who are going to Truth Social to ensure that their message gets out there. They don't rely just on traditional news media, television, radio, and maybe Twitter, but they make sure that they check all of the boxes, and that would include Truth Social, because one other major voice in America is former President Donald J. Trump, and Truth Social falls under the umbrella of his flagship company, the Trump Media and Technology Group. And also, people look at Digital World Acquisition Corporation as the easiest and fastest way you can actually replicate the success that former President Donald J. Trump has had in his business life. So a lot of people are actually counting on this deal going through. So after the subpoenas that have been distributed to the boards of both companies, you have one last hurdle, and it is that the Securities and Exchange Commission has to pour through all the documents, make sure that everything is kosher, and then they can give their blessings, and then the merger can occur, and Trump Media and Technology Group will fuse with Digital Acquisition Corporation, and that now will mean basically that Truth Social will be listed in the stock on the stock market, and you will be able to purchase shares in that on that platform. So that's what the picture looks like. Wall Street is off today to a very strong start. You can see the S&P 500 is up, Dow 30 up, Nasdaq up, Russell 2000 struggling, but I think it will be trending up here shortly. Crude oil is down below $100, trading at $99.48 a barrel, and that represents a drop of 4.43%. So that's the picture of the stock market today, guys. I hope you are doing your trades diligently, making sure that you don't put your money somewhere that the company could actually drop in value and you lose your shirt. It's very uncertain economic times, and people are all bracing up for a possible recession. So you want to be have some cash in reserves at all times. Even though some stocks might look like a bargain, we are not sure yet. We are at the bottom of this market. So be careful as you go about your investment today. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We are down to about 1 or 2 subscribers a day, but I think we can definitely do better. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider smashing that button, and let's keep those numbers rolling. Thank you for your time. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.